If you finish grading and you take a look at some of the comments and you realize that actually the content of the comments or the points associated with a comment need to be updated, you can easily update that in the comment library. And updating it will update any instance of this comment retroactively. So that's really going to save you a lot of time here. So you'll click into the comment library, choose the comment you wish to update and click the pencil. Update the content, update the points. You can see here that this comment has been used twice. So when we click save, that is going to update 2 instances of this comment. And we can double check that. We can have a look here by clicking on used 2 times, and it's going to drop us on the booklet that has this comment. And we can filter to the next comment. And as you can see, those comments have updated.